Morning students. Financial planning. Today's thought: self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. Question number 6. A company provided Z security services for the taxable value of rupees 64,500. Rate of GST is 18%. Company had paid GST of rupees 1,550 for laundry services and uniforms. What is the amount of ITC, that is input tax credit? Find the amount of CGST and SGST payable by the company. Input tax credit, that is GST paid by company for laundry services and uniform, 1000 rupees 1550. Taxable value for the services paid by company, rupees 64,500. GST 18%. Output tax, so 18% of taxable value. Calculated. GST payable is output tax minus input tax credit. So subtracted output tax, input tax credit. So this is GST payable rupees 10,060. CGST is same as SGST, which is GST payable by 2. So that is 10,060 divided by 2, that is 5,030 rupees. So write down your answer as it is a word problem. Question number 7. A dealer supplied walkie-talkie set of rupees 84,000 with GST to police control room. The rate of GST is 12%. Find the amount of state and central GST charged by the dealer. Also find the taxable value of the set. So let taxable value be X for walkie-talkie set. GST 12%. Then taxable value of walkie-talkie set plus amount of GST. It is total given 84,000 with GST. It is mentioned in the problem. Now calculate how this 84,000 taxable value plus GST. So it is LCM, you can find out. Find value of X over here, 75,000. So the taxable value of walkie-talkie set is 75,000. Rate of CGST is same as rate of SGST. Here it is given GST 12%, so this is 6% each. Amount of CGST on walkie-talkie set is same as amount of SGST on walkie-talkie set, that is 6% of 75,000. It is 4,500. So write your answer in sentence as it is word problem.